How's it feel? Think you can work with that?
Yep.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Holy shit, it's hot in there.
Oh.
Holy shit, it's hot in there.
Good luck, man.
You can get close. Looking good. All right. All right.
Did you burn any flesh?
It felt like my beard was burning a little bit.
Now that is slag.
Slag.
That is all the garbage that's on that in that material.
Jeez.
And you're gonna split that all off so that it doesn't.
Can you grab the fume extractor and bring it over here?
You don't like this stuff?
What do we want to keep moving the thing so it's damaged the table?
It is damaging the table.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pick it up, and let's just. Should we move to the? Yeah, just hold it there.
Oh yeah, I got you.
You got
I
it?
you, Aaron.
Are you ready to pour?